Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a dreamy surreal photo effect with butterflies, just like in fine art photography. And we will do it using Gemini AI brand new tool powered by Nano Banana. So let's get started. First, open Gemini in your browser and then log in with your Google account. And once you're in, just tap on create image, or you can access it by tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This feature is powered by Nano Banana. This is Gemini latest feature that lets you edit or transform photos instantly with just a prompt. Now just upload the photo that you want to transform. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. And next it's time to write your prompt. You can Before I already made my prompt like this. You can just copy mine and then adjust the details as you like. You can tweak words like pose, lighting, or even the butterflies to get a result that match your visions. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then just paste it. And then just feel free to tweak your prompt as you like. And when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this. There you go, Gemini will give you a surreal fine art photo effect instantly like this. And okay, that's it, super easy, right? You can create your own fantasy portrait in just a few clicks and make the art truly yours. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.